Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dine with Diaz, and today we're doing something a little different, and I have a couple special guests here. So we have
Roman,
and then we have
Michelle,
and this is their first time doing a mukbang, so we're gonna make them feel welcome. We're gonna have a lot of fun. So what we're doing today, we're going to two different places. We're gonna go to McDonald's to get some snack wraps. I heard they were back, and then we're gonna head on over to Dairy Queen to get the new Superman Blizzard. All right, come along with us. Let's get it.
Anything else for you?
That's it.
Oh, you can pull something.
Thank you.
simple.
Woo! I don't know if you guys could hear that guy, but I was not talking low whatsoever. My car's not loud, and he could not get what I was saying. We're gonna get through this.
I saw him change it to like small water to large water.
He better give us a large water. It's hot. We gotta roll up this window. It's already blowing in like a sauna out there, man.
I can feel the heat from my pants from the like.
Yeah.
windshield.
Excuse me.
From your pants to the windshield.
To the window.
In a while.
All right.
So,
Hi. Thank you. Thank you.
whew.
Got the high C, got a water, and I always bring my can from home. Thanks so much. Could I get some cups of ranch? Can I get some cups of ranch? Thank you. Huh?
I don't think it's going.
Let's try to find a shady spot in this inferno. All right, we have secured the bag. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, here we go. So we got one large fry, two large fries. These are hot, but as you can see, look at all this space. Not good. All right. And then we got one of each, or actually two of each snack wrap. So one spicy and then one of the ranch. And then, you know, I'm always trying to ranch me up, so I got a couple extra ranches on the side. Either one of those. Got it? All right. Which one do you guys want to try first?
Spicy.
Spicy.
It's gonna be me trying the snack wrap.
Okay. There we go. Do you like fries?
Yes.
Okay. So out of your guys' opinion, who has the best fast food fries?
I want to say Wendy's. I feel like those potatoes potate. Here?
Me too. McDonald's is definitely my favorite fry, but what she's saying is Wendy's is like legitimate potato fries. You know, like these are like skinny potato fries, but those are like real potato fries.
Tastes like taters.
Let me see how many times I can say potato fries. Okay. Hot and fresh, very good. All right. I'm gonna try the spicy first. If you want to try the ranch first. Actually, let's try the same one, and that way we can kind of give each other's opinion of each. All right, we're going for the spicy first. Go. So the snack wrap is a tortilla with lettuce, cheese, shredded cheese, and then a chicken strip. And this thing is $2.99, so it's decently a good size. What do you think?
Very saucy too.
Yeah. See, it's got the sauce in there. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here we go. Okay. First impressions.
very tasty. Mostly tasting the sauce.
Same here. The sauce does have a pretty good kick to it, honestly. Like, the chicken itself is not hot. It's the sauce that makes it hot.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just a plain chicken tender in there. See? It is a good combination, though. I mean, these are. It's a soft flour tortilla too. So
Yeah. It's really good. Doesn't feel heavy.
Mm-hmm. Good all white meat chicken. Yeah, pretty good. So what did you guys do this weekend?
We had a niece's birthday party that you also attended.
Yes. And you know what I got from there that I brought with me?
Some swag.
Yep. Look at this. Ready for this? Yeah! Got that old slap wrist bracelet thing.
Got little tornadoes on there
Yeah.
for little girl turning 4.
Yeah.
Tornado.
Look at that. I don't know if you can see it.
Slap bracelet is slapping.
Slaps.
Yay!
I was losing this thing so much yesterday. It was a lot of fun. But I love me a good slap bracelet. Did you have fun, Roman?
Good time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm starting to question whether the chicken is spicy.
Really?
Because it is spicy.
Mine isn't. I think it's just that sauce has a pretty good
It
kick
is.
to it.
It's the sauce.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna dip mine in some ranch. You want some ranch?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers. Now, ranch, McDonald's ranch is not my favorite. The place that has the best ranch, in my opinion,
What you gonna say?
Wingstop.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
I agree.
Mm-hmm. And they give you big tubs of it.
So good, makes you want to drink it.
Mm-hmm. And I do sometimes. How are the fries? Good? And Michelle also got a high C drink.
Yep. I usually get sugar-free drinks, but this is what I used to be kind of addicted to. I just get it once in a while.
Yeah.
What flavor is it?
It's orange.
So I went and saw the new Fantastic Four movie today. No spoilers, I'm just giving you my rating. They haven't seen it yet either, so. So I gave it a 9 out of 10. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay.
That was pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It was pretty good. You know, we're gonna go to Dairy Queen after this.
Yep.
I'm gonna save some of these fries and dip them in my ice cream.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. All right.
I bet that's gonna taste like really sugary.
That's all I'm about.
McDonald's put sugar in their fries, right? Sugar and salt?
Probably.
That's what I heard.
That's what she said. Literally. All right. Next, we're gonna try the new ranch snack wrap. So, obviously the same thing, but instead of the spicy sauce, it's just ranch sauce. Cheers.
Cheers. Mine has a lot of tortilla at the end.
Mine too.
I don't like that.
So the chicken is only this length, right here. And the tortilla is like up here. So you get a huge bite of tortilla first.
Who they fooling?
All that shrinkflation. But you think that they're charging less? Heck no. Man, even just sitting here, it's hot. That sun is beating down. That ice cream is gonna feel good.
What do you think comparison?
Do
you have a favorite right away? Which one do you like better? I do.
I like the spicy sauce with the chicken because like they're obviously using McDonald's ranch, and I'm like not a huge fan of that. And this is like nothing special. And I heard they are using different chicken nowadays than they did back when they used to have these. Because these are just obviously like McChicken strips or whatever. So nothing special. They just wrap them in a tortilla. So, what about you?
Yeah, if I ordered this on my own, I would probably not get the ranch again. Not that it's gross or anything. It's just, it's not anything special. Spicy one had a lot more flavor.
Yeah, whenever they come up with spicy stuff, I'd prefer if like the patty itself was spicy, and then you could add, you know, spicy sauce if you wanted to. But I like more of the already spicy built into it, you know. I mean, it'll get the job done, but it's not my favorite, you know.
Still eating it.
Exactly. How's your summer off school going? Yeah? Been doing anything fun?
Any highlights?
Did you go to the pool, or have you gone on any trips, or?
I went to South Dakota.
How was that?
Good.
You seen anything cool?
Mount Rushmore.
Oh, wow.
Devil's bathtub.
Nice.
A lot of hiking.
Yeah.
Did you road trip there? How was the drive?
Long.
Yeah.
I think it was like 80 degrees there versus like 100 degrees in Kansas City.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you go into the actual state park for the Mount Rushmore? Nice. No, I've never been there.
I haven't either.
I want to go there someday.
I'm not, I had like this much left. I'm not finishing because it's blah.
A lot of it's literally tortilla. See how much tortilla is right there? Yeah. I'm just eating the chicken. Okay. So we're going to do a little price breakdown for this one.
It tastes a little weird now.
All right, so they made one into a meal. So there's 2 spicy snack wraps, a large French fry, and then a medium high C is going to be $9.59. And then he misunderstood me, so he gave me another large fry, which is $4.29. And then 2 ranch snack wraps by themselves were $5.98. And then we got some ranch cups and water. With tax, total was $21.54. To me, not worth it at all for that price. I would rather have a double cheeseburger, a Big Mac. I love their breakfast at McDonald's, but $6 for 2 snack wraps? No, I won't do that again. How about you guys?
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah.
I like the $5 meal deals.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not worth the price for, I mean, literally a piece of chicken and a tortilla. So try it out if you want to, but I give it a in the middle because it wasn't bad, but it wasn't good.
I Okay, mid,
Mid, yes. All right.
as the kids say.
All right, guys, we just finished McDonald's. We're gonna be heading over to Dairy Queen. Come along with us. Let's get it. We're gonna do a $7 meal deal, please.
Cheeseburger, chicken strips.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Just cheese and ketchup.
Just,
What do you want for the drink and sundae?
just cheese and ketchup on the burger,
Diet Coke.
and then Diet Coke for the drink.
Okay.
I think you wanted a Blizzard.
Yeah.
Upgrade.
And it comes with a sundae, so.
Oh, okay.
What do you want for the sundae?
And then we're gonna upgrade to the Blizzard,
What blizzard?
the Superman cake batter cookie dough,
Yes.
and then also a small orange cream shake.
Do you want whipped cream on the shake?
Nah.
No, thank you.
Anything else?
And then I want to do a banana split.
Anything else?
That's it.
1,770.
Thank you.
I was looking at that split too.
Yeah. Now we can all try it.
The random block and
Oh, here.
I don't know why I almost handed you my card to throw away.
You did it.
Yeah. She was one of those people that was like, and then, and then. I'm like, give me a minute.
That's all right.
That's all right.
I don't know what you're saying.
Yeah, me neither. Got my fry ready.
Wow. If you have a fry, I have a fry.
Yep, we're ready. The person in front of us is from Louisiana.
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 Who's your nanners?
And I'm getting a nanner split.
No.
Here, Mom will pay.
Thank you.
I said ready one.
Thank you. Look at them Superman cups.
I can see that.
Thank you.
Okay. Song you gotta play maybe for the intro of this part.
What's that?
Superman now. Oh.
We can't play it, but we can sing it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it'll get flagged.
Dang.
It'll get copyrighted.
I don't know the ways of the YouTube.
I don't want to get demonetized. Oh wait, I'm not monetized yet.
Oh, yeah, so. Let's
We're
get
almost there.
monetized first.
I'm halfway there, so let's keep it going, guys.
Tell your sisters, tell your wives.
Yeah. Spread it. Be a spreader.
Major spreader.
Major spreader. Like COVID, spread around the world.
That's how we want to get monetized here.
Thank you. You want a lid? Yes, please. Thank you.
It's not over.
Thank you.
Get in there.
Suck down my other drink.
Just put it in the door. The lid.
Ain't that dark?
Right here. Right there. And then here.
There we go.
There we go.
Something else you could add.
Thank you. What's that?
We were just walking down the road to people's house.
No, thank you. Yes, please.
Take it off.
And then the food? The food? Okay.
Girlfriend. Raytown, baby.
This thing looks awesome. I haven't had a banana split in 25 years, and I'm only 24.
For real?
Yep.
Dang.
That doesn't make sense.
He's in the womb.
You caught me. I was trying to be slick. How's that?
You're too smart.
Look at these. It's blue. Like Superman. They didn't even give us a Superman cup. What the frick?
They're over it.
No, they probably only give you a Superman cup if you get like medium or large. What a rip-off.
Wow.
But that is. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
We'll be here tomorrow.
Oh, we fun. I was
You want to hold the receipt? And we out of here.
Don't you crumple it.
Do I eat it?
Superman that.
Superman now. Oh.
All right, ready to pull out into oncoming traffic?
Sure.
Oh, look, it's Superman across the street. We have secured the bag. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, here we go, guys. So, I got the banana split. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. So it's got strawberry, pineapple, chocolate sauce, 4 dollops of whipped cream, and ice cream.
Bananas.
And more fries.
Right, and then what'd you get, Roman?
Fries.
And
Superman Blizzard.
Superman Blizzard. And it's cookie dough, Superman Blizzard. Looks
Sugar
pretty good. Sugar cookie, Superman Blizzard.
And cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, nice. And then what'd you get, Michelle? Nice.
It says original cheeseburger backwards.
Yep.
I got an orange dream shake.
With no whipped cream. It usually comes with whipped cream.
Yep. Because I didn't figure I'd need it. I don't think it adds a lot.
Because we're not sponsored by Lactate, so.
Right. And this smells like an orange dreamsicle.
Mmm.
So good.
I do love that. All right, so we're gonna dig into our ice creams. Ready? Cheers.
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 All right, here we go. Mmm.
Dang.
Now, Dairy Queen has some really good soft serve ice cream. The flavor is just so good. And then,
She bad.
and how's your orange creamsicle shake?
It's like a soft, melty orange dreamsicle. Super good. I love it. I don't know if I can drink it all, but
And then how's your sugar cookie Superman Blizzard?
Good.
Good? Nice.
it's got sprinkles in it.
Yeah. It's colored blue.
Yeah, I don't know what makes it blue.
Yeah. So Roman ended up getting food here, so when he's ready, he's gonna tell you about his food. And we're just gonna eat on our ice cream.
Ice cream first.
Who doesn't like dessert first? Let me get some of this banana. This is a really good size. Look at
Yeah, it is.
that. So if you're craving a banana split, definitely come try this. This is good.
This is a small.
Yeah, that's a pretty good size for small.
Yeah, there's like small, medium, and large. Small is plenty.
So I was just on my way here and I saw these two on the side of the road, so I figured I'd pick them up and include them in my mukbang today.
Yeah, just two wayward souls.
But for real, I've known Michelle for, I think we did the math last night, for almost 19, 20 years. So we've known each other a long time.
As long as we've been alive. We're only 19, 20.
Because I'll be 20 this year, so.
I got you again.
Yep.
And this little guy is my son.
Yes.
How old are you?
22.
I actually did one. I'm one.
You're one?
I'm just kidding. I'm 9.
Oh, okay.
9 years old.
I thought you were 21. I was about to take you out to the bar.
Oh,
drink.
yay.
Yeah. You want to try mine?
I'm sure.
You can eat a spoon.
You like nanners? You like chocolate?
You like pineapple?
Although I think you just grabbed a pineapple. Really?
He's just looking in the bag.
Yeah.
Yep, it's empty.
You want to try some?
Cool. Empty
Oh,
bag.
here. What'd you think? We'll get some this side.
So yummy. strawberry.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, Ron.
Okay, I got strawberry and pineapple in this one.
Give me banana.
Banana in the first.
Cut into that thing. Don't be shy.
It's super yummy.
Yeah.
I haven't had a banana split in a
Uh-oh,
long time.
cut it.
He's like, I'll just take the ice
Here.
cream if that's fine.
I just want the ice cream.
There you go. Here, I'll put it on your spoon. What do you think of the banana? Good? Gonna try yours. I'm trying the Superman cookie dough blizzard. See, cookie dough is not my favorite, but that's not bad. I mean, you can definitely taste the sugar cookie flavor of it with the sprinkles, so not bad. And then
Get in on that.
yeah.
Do you like orange?
I love orange. And then this is the orange creamsicle shake. Oh yeah. The orange flavor is very potent, which I'm a big orange fan, so that's a really good flavor. So. The only thing I would add to this is more hot fudge on top. Because I love me some hot fudge with ice cream.
Same.
All right, now Roman's gonna try his food and let us know how it is.
I got a cheeseburger. Plain cheeseburger.
What is plain? What's on it?
Yeah, you gotta show him what's on it.
Wow.
Is it hot?
Yes.
So we got a cheeseburger and it looks like it has ketchup and cheese only.
It's got that grill smell, charbroiled smell.
Yeah, charboil.
Charboiled.
Charboil.
I'm kind of
All right,
picky,
first
so.
bite. Here we go. What you think, Shorty? What you drank?
That's good.
Yeah. Would you recommend it?
Sure.
Is it anything special, or is it just like another cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger.
Do you like the grill flavor?
Kind of.
And then he also got some fries with it.
It's in a cute little container.
Behold.
I almost knocked this on the ground while we were filming earlier. So that's pretty cool.
There's about to be no fries.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yep. And then, had some
no
leftover
fries.
McDonald's fries. We're dipping.
Yeah, that's good.
You want to try it?
Okay, I'm gonna try mine. I'm orange. Be real weird with it. No.
Is it the orange flavor, or you just don't like it in ice cream?
It's the fry with the orange.
Not a good mixture.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cheeseburger eye.
Did we get a receipt for this one? I
Yeah.
don't remember. Alright. So while he's eating that and we're finishing up, do a little price breakdown. So he did the $7 meal deal, and he got the cheeseburger. Didn't you also get a drink?
Yep.
And then it also comes with
I stole it.
a soda drink. Oh, there's a Superman.
Oh, there it is.
So here's the Superman cup.
Superman. Only if there's July 11th.
What's the dog's name?
Crypto.
Oh yeah. So there's Superman with Crypto. That's pretty cute, actually. I'm a huge dog lover, so softy for dogs. And then there's a Superman. So I've already seen this movie, and I told you my review in last week's video. So if you want to know that review, go check that out. And then it also came with the side of fries, and then the small Superman Blizzard. So that was $9 because it was $7, and you can upgrade to the small Blizzard instead of like a sundae. So that was $9. And then the small orange creamsicle shake was $4.49. And that's a pretty good size for that.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And then the banana split royal treat, it's called, was $6.49. So with tax, it was $21.67. So I'd say it's pretty worth it for these ice creams, honestly, because ice cream is very incredibly expensive nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
But I think everything we got here tasted pretty good, and the quality was there. So what do you guys think?
Very good.
Yeah.
Quality and quantity.
Would you recommend the food again to somebody, or just the ice cream?
Ice cream.
What's your favorite cheeseburger? Fast food.
I think McDonald's again.
What about you?
Ooh. I'm gonna have to think on that one. I'm not a huge cheeseburger person.
For me, it comes down to two different ones. Well, actually three. So we don't have these here. In-N-Out Burger. I love that burger. But the ones around here, McDonald's double cheeseburger or a Sonic double cheeseburger. So that's my top three. What do you usually get at McDonald's if you don't get the cheeseburger?
I'll get a cheeseburger. I just don't ever crave a cheeseburger.
Oh, okay.
But I like McChicken.
Especially the spicy.
I always do the cheap things at McDonald's because I can't be spending like that at fast food.
Nothing wrong with that. But, all right, guys. So that's going to wrap it up for today. I appreciate Michelle and Roman stopping by. Do you guys have anything to say to everyone before we head it on out?
Stay safe, be kind, and don't be a stranger.
Michelle, anything?
Yeah, just be kind to others.
Nice.
And have fun. Don't be too serious.
All right, that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. I appreciate you stopping by. Remember, wherever you are in the world, be kind, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.